Hello, and welcome to the Complete Ethical Hacking course. Go from beginner to advanced. With 550 lectures and over 130 hours of content, this is the only course you need to become an advanced hacker from scratch. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero in hacking in an easy and fun fashion. In this course, we will assume that you are just a beginner, and at the end of the course, you will be at high intermediate level. Do you want to launch attacks exactly the same way the black hat hackers do? Or you want to defend different attacks? After finishing this course, you will be able to launch an attack the same way that any black hat hacker can do, and also you will know how to defend different attacks. In this course, we are not going to neglect the theory behind each technique. In every part, first we will learn about theory, then we will see those techniques of hacking, and at last we will have real-world example of that part. There are many resources on the internet, but lots of them are wrong and outdated. Not only that, but it is hard to stay up to date. However, this course will help you build your hacking skills, and you will also be updated. So let's have a look in our course. There are 25 parts. First, we will learn how to set up our complete hacking lab. Then we will learn Linux administration and some of the basics of hacking. Before starting any kind of hacking, we are going to learn how to be anonymous and hide ourselves online. In Part 4, we're going to gather information. This information may be personal, company-based, or hidden on the internet. But we are going to gather the information easily. In Part 5, we're going to learn pre-connection attack, like Wi-Fi and wired hacking. In this part, we also will learn how to make fake access points, captive portals, and capturing different datas. Then, from Part 6 to 17, we will learn how to do different types of hacking attacks. Again, in that parts, first we will learn theory, then we will see those techniques of hacking, and at last we will have real-world example of that part. Every part will have a real-world hacking example without neglecting the theory behind it. From Part 18 to 19, we will learn website hacking. First, we will learn cross-site scripting and SQL injection in great details. Then, we will learn web surfer hacking. After that, it's not finished, guys. We will learn about mobile hacking. Here you will learn mainly Android hacking, but you will also learn how to hack other mobile platforms, such as iOS, Windows, and BlackBerry. At last, we will learn how to defend those attacks and how to be safe from other hackers. Here, we will also learn about computer forensics. After learning how to defend attacks, computer forensics will be a lot easier for you. And of course, we have a bonus section. In the bonus section, Part 1, we are going to learn about Python basics, Python and Kali Linux hacking, and how to automate hacking attacks using Python. And then we will also learn about Metasploit. Metasploit will help you to safely simulate attacks on your network, uncover weaknesses, and much more. This is one of the best hacking operating systems used by hacking community. If this doesn't sound like enough, don't worry. This is just a brief explanation of our complete course. After enrolling in the course, you will learn much more, and that will help you to become an advanced hacker. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the course now and get the opportunity to learn from the world's most advanced ethical hacking course.
Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. I am so excited to start the course with you. So I am another instructor in this comprehensive course, and I am a professional ethical hacker, computer scientist, and I have more than 10 plus years of experience as a cybersecurity specialist. So in this lecture, we are going to learn the basics of hacking. Actually, hacking is very misunderstood all over the world. It is not just breaking into someone's computer and stealing money. It's more about gathering knowledge about how to exploit different systems and also defend it from bad guys. So, can it be a good career to be an ethical hacker or cyber specialist? Yes, of course. In cybersecurity field, it is booming day by day. An ethical hacker's average yearly earning is more than $100,000. So it would be a very good career, and also there would be a lot of opportunity and excitement in this career. So that's a plus point. So how many types of hacker are there? There are mainly three types of hackers. First of all, white hat hackers, then gray hat hackers, and at last black hat hackers. So white hat hackers are the virtuous guardians. These cybersecurity heroes use their hacking skills for good, working to protect system and keep the cyber world safe from threats. And then come grey hat hackers. They are kind of curious explorers. A grey hat hacker is someone who plays with computer systems without hurting others. They may explore things without permission, but they don't do it to cause harm. And at last, the black hat hackers. It is a person who hacks into computer systems to bad things like stealing information and causing harm. They use their skills for bad purposes and break the rules of ethical hacking. So we're the good guys, that means ethical hacker, but we will learn how to hack like black hat hackers in detail so that we can protect ourselves from hacking. So that's it for this lecture, and thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to learn all about setting up our hacking lab. This main section have 4 different parts. First, we will learn how to build our hacking environment. Then we will learn everything about hacking lab. After that, we are gonna cover about Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is a hacking operating system which is widely used by hackers, and we will learn everything about Kali Linux from beginner to advanced. And last but not least, some of the basic customization like increasing our internet speed so that we can work with ease. So in the hacking lab part, we'll be learning about VirtualBox, how to download and install it, how to set up hacking machines, and much more. Then we'll be learning about Kali Linux. We'll be setting up the latest version of Kali Linux operating system and use it like a pro. Also, we'll need a Metasploit operating system for further use in this course. So we'll learn about it and install it. And of course, installing different operating system inside our VirtualBox will help us to attack safely. That's why we will be installing different operating system like Windows, macOS and Ubuntu. And last but not least, we'll be installing different mobile platforms inside our VirtualBox so that we can attack it and learn how to hack mobiles. So all of the installation needs some configuration so that we can use it with 100% functionality and power. So we will be covering that also. And thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to give rating to this course. It's really important for us, and see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to this lecture everyone. So in this lecture we're going to learn how to download and install VirtualBox. But first of all, what is a VirtualBox? The VirtualBox is a magical creation. It's a software that grants you the power to run multiple operating systems on a single computer, just like a virtual playground. It lets you experiment, test and play with various operating systems within the safety of your existing setup. So if we test our hacking methods inside a virtual box, then it would be safe and nothing to worry about. And also it allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single machine. So it would be beneficial for software testing, development and different experimentation. It creates a sandbox environment, ensuring that changes in one OS don't affect the others, promoting system stability. Additionally, it's free and widely supported. So, for all this factor, it is becoming very popular nowadays. So, we're going to use that VirtualBox in this lecture. So, let's install VirtualBox now, and we'll go to their official website. So here you can see we're on the official website, and you can download the VirtualBox based on your operating system. So currently I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click here. Then here you can see it is downloading. So you need to wait, and it depends on your internet connection how long it will take to download the entire app. So after downloading VirtualBox, you will get a app like that, and to install it, double click on it. So you need to click on next, 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 nothing to change here, and install. So here you can see it is installed. So after installation, you will get an interface like that, and I have already installed 2 Kali Linux, so you won't have that, but nothing to worry about. And I will guide you how to install all of these inside VirtualBox. So that's it for this lecture, and see you around. Hello again everyone. So hacking is not just about breaking into system or stealing data. It is a vast skill that involves understanding how computer system works, how network work, and how to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities, how to attack and defend system, and much more. Everything is covered in this course, but good research and dedication makes you a good hacker. So the first step in hacking is gathering information. So this is about a target system or network. We will learn how to do this practically. So digital footprints like breadcrumbs left by a system can reveal valuable information, and we will explore essential techniques to follow and understand these trails. So once we have gathered information, it is time to scan the target system for potential vulnerabilities. You will get real-world example to do so in further lecture. So we will discuss various scanning tools and techniques that hackers use to find weaknesses in a system. It helps us to identify the services and resources available on the target system, so providing valuable information and insight for further attacking. So that's why it is very important. And last but not least, exploration and gaining access is most exciting part of for any hacker, and we will dive into the fascinating world of exploiting weaknesses to gain unauthorized access to computer system and networks. Understanding how hackers exploit vulnerabilities is essential for cybersecurity professionals to protect against such attacks. So we are going to cover both. As we dive deeper into the world of hacking, it's vital to understand the importance of ethical hacking and cybersecurity also. Ethical hackers, also known as the white hat hackers, plays a crucial role in the identifying and fixing security. So to protect system from malicious attack, we need to deep dive and learn all kind of ethical hacking. And this course is designed to learn ethical hacking, cyber security, and certified ethical hacking. So you will be learning everything that a hacker should know. So that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next video.